Alright guys, update on the plate build video for CRS Firearms. Yesterday I laminated this, which is 14 layers of just regular shopping bags. And then 6 layers of polyethylene window screen. It's in between 2 sheets of just regular aluminum roof flashing. I put that on top of what was already in here, which is just porcelain tiles. Just these little honeycomb tiles. And that's all throughout. And silicone. I literally placed this on top of it and sandwiched and glued another piece of 1/2-inch PVC board. Now I've got a sheet of 16 gauge steel and 16 square foot of fiberglass. And to use all this, I'm going to be using, don't got the can, but OD heavy duty green can PVC cement. So the plan is to get as many layers as I can on the back in between the metal and the plate itself, and then I'm gonna have enough to wrap the whole plate all the way around. So, yep, update later.